illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a dump truck character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our dump truck character. We're actually going to start this character from the bottom up. So we're going to start with the tires. We're going to do 2 circles for our wheels here. 1. And we're going to connect the 2 circles together. I'm going to do 2 little lines here. And our second circle. 2. Now we'll add some detail here to each one. 2 little ovals inside that first wheel. And 2 more over here. Now for some added detail and a little texture on our wheels, we're going to just do this series of curved lines all the way around. And this will make it look like there's some texture there, a little tread on our tires. And we'll be doing that same thing on the other side for the other wheel. All right, now we're going to continue our way upward. I'm going to start by adding a second layer around about half of our tire here. And we'll be doing this same type of line across this wheel next. Again, about halfway there. But this time we're just going to end it rather than make another shape. All right, now from here we're going to start working on the truck part. So we're going to start by focusing on the front of our truck area here. We're going to start on top of this first tire. We're going to come all the way up. We're basically making a pretty large rectangle shape across, back down. We're not going to go all the way down. We're going to come out again and add a little front there to our dump truck. Now we'll be adding some details. We're going to add the headlight here in the front. And we'll be adding the window, which is going to be a fun misshapen rectangle here. So you don't want it to be perfect, you want it to be a little bit quirky. And this is where we'll add the face on. So we'll do 2 little eyes, 1 and 2. Two eyebrows. And a smile. All right, so now we need to put the rest of our truck together, and this is going to be really fun. It's a really fun series of like zigzag lines. So we're going to start almost all the way up to the top here. The little diagonal line there. followed by another. And we're going to take this all the way out, diagonally down, and back around. And this will round out the part of our truck that hauls things. So we'll come out, diagonally down, and back in. Now to add some details, we're going to create a second layer here. And what this will do is this will set us up for some color success here in a minute when we start adding our color. Now, since this is a dump truck, we have to put something inside of it. So mine's going to be hauling some dirt. So to make some dirt piles, it's just a series of curved lines like this. They're different shapes, different sizes. And we'll add some dots in here to show that we've got a little bit of texture here. All right, now currently our dump truck is floating and we need to give it a nice dirt road to be driving on. So you can use a series of broken lines with a couple little curved lines here and there just to show that this road isn't completely flat. Got some dirt down here that we're driving on. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our truck character. The next step that we're going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, there we have our dump truck characters. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your dump truck characters, and I also hope that I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!